Say talk show where they insult Edo musicians, they insult Edo people. They don't finally arrest her for Italy. Oh, breaking news, breaking news. Ove sakpo. Itania we oboana ya. Wani muje doria we webo. It won't bother wa. It does set as I dey tell na not be small matter. Not be small thing. Say talk show, my people. As I dey tell na say talk show, they don't finally carry from us arrest now. Breaking news. When I know say I tell someone we go investigate the matter just now. So this is the new picture coming from the place right now. This now the woman where they follow fight. Now no DJ where they have sting. DJ where they have sting. Now no where they already insult the family everything for social media. So now the fact be this one now. So I want break her for now. I'm gonna see what he play, what he happen. As the police they arrest her now, they don't carry her for us arrest. It's the police station for Italy right now. Breaking news. On the Sakbo, Omozwo, a market. Omozwo. Etu we musician ku we bo. Mi age we ya mi ya we. E goddaughter we. Ore custody now. This Omozwo goddaughter, they got custody as they tell now. Breaking news. The two phone where they do social media, they don't scatter. Evidence is the battle load. Since we here do, Benin people no go feed the social media. No na the praise on the community. Now to the spoil Benin people name. Now what they do for social media. Una go collect. Hello, they are not hearing me. I say una go collect the bad people with this side. So before we start, my people, please, if you know you are a good Edo person, if you see this broadcast, share it, make another person for see am. If you know you are a good Benin person, you want Edo State to be one of the great states, all those miscreants where they spoil Edo people name, you want more they fish their hearts. Anytime you see this video, share it for your beloved state. Edo to the world. Edo to the world. Make I tell you now, make I gist to now what happen. Edo, he only need gist to have no sunu. Ove sakbo, o Italy. Edo, uwa mawan mehana again ati ese talk show. E goddaughter ore Omozwo, Frank Omozwo. No Edo yaga the social media. I mean no my when I walk one. Or when you do a gala webo, a musician gala webo, or when no more Europe tour. Again, ni mwe picture la jana no yak bina na ve na wak bina ve na. In case one man eme video no yak bina, is kama wa ne video no yak bina ne. E video ni yak bina ve na, ni zege kawa mawae. This is the video. No ya Rick, ona ati ne DJ ni ya di. This is the video. Wow, wash, you do. This is the video. Share the video. Share it. They know they hear me. Share the video. I want to give you a breaking news. What's happening for a set-up show today? One of the listing. Now maybe Don Prince.
I even called the man. I called the DJ Goat. I get the number.
One of the listing.
DJ Goat. I call him. Now he said, "Man, I come here. Can't wait for him." So I thought that because I say Saga not the social media. Man, I could use the time, the 2 hours. So I sit down for here, they wait for him. He has not far from here. He can meet me here. He said, "Man, not speak."
They would hear. They don't hear. Una de hear. Hello. Una de hear. Mama Diza. What? Una de hear. Hello. They are not hearing me. Una de hear what did happen.
I talk and say more meat for here. Yeah, go sit down, please. Over there.
You want to go fat too? When I say, I want to go fat.
I talk and say more meat for here. Man,
are you hearing? Okay, you want to go fat? When are the list you? Before I'll tell you what happened.
Now, wow.
Okay. Share the video if you be good Edo person. Nigerians, Bona share the video, Nigeria. Said, do people. Why not buy your ball? Bona see what they happen for Italy. Bona see what they happen for abroad.
No, be fair though. I can't cheat. I can't hide for here. No police no see me. I can't hide. I can't cheat here. I cheat here. Me?
Share the video, it does set. When are they see what happen here? When are they see what happen here?
I call DJ Goat. The DJ Goat will tell me say I reach here. Man, not spend 2 minutes. Come on, man, spend 10 minutes. I just sit down here. They wait for your wife. And they wait for your wife. Now the area they wait for your wife for here. Now your wife won't enter where you see me now. Here, now here I did so. If I don't watch live video there.
When I see what happen here, when are they watch it does set.
10 minutes. I was here about 10:44. Now I take the here. 10:44. Now I take the here. The house not far for here. If you come down in 1 minute, you don't reach here. I even called the man. I called the DJ Goat. I get the number. The DJ
They even they see her. Are you seeing it? Hello, that they see her. Please, if you are seeing it, share the video. If you do ya, wa do give no sunu webo. Wa do give no sunu webo. Abo meme so ni re webo ni owa. Ni muje do gboto. Abo meme ni re webo ni muje do gboto. Wa ga evie do wa do be ga abo meme. E wa ni owa. Ni we do musician la webo. E wa ni zuwa. Ni re asaresi ni owa. Police mwene na wage mi no sunu mana ugbere da no mie e fun oge ya agwoge ya ko hello dia no yere me Mama Linda Peter e na gbo ama we my mama wa ya to Mama Diza oya mo na the list say dia yeri wa we see Esther ifatalo Dalinti, Imana Vita, say, good my sister, you're not going to Mona share. So now the update where BC happen today, now they show now. So update, better one, Mona share. Even almost will never get this update. In whole war, if I not of ye, no sunuvena. Almost, when me expose one, Nana, in ya way, I have a musician ya build. Where me out, who we are salwa. We man anything. Jaladima, hello, Jaladima, you are not hearing me. Jaladima, you are not hearing me. Mona share this video. Oh yeah, Mona listen to this also. Oh, I'm going to DJ Adiowa. DJ, carry fat go meet DJ. Wait there. Mona see beating. Hey, Gambaba, ya beg. Mona the listing.
Now you say. I can't wait for them. So I don't do it because I say Saga not the social media. I could use the time, the 2 hours. So I sit down for here, they wait for them. He has not far from here. He can meet me here. He said I not spend 2 minutes, I spend 10 minutes. So I come here for 10:44. Now I take come here. So I been at the counter before they lie well. If they say he come here, and nothing not come see me again. I come here, I can't run. I hear all of my day here now, sit down here. And that 10 minutes, it was so rich. 44. Remember 7 minutes. Because he has more far for yet. He has, if he come down now, 1 minute, he don't reach here. So now he called the delay because I call him before I come up for us. I call DJ Goat. DJ Goat, I call him. Not the real bra. Forget bra. You never see whether for the use nakedness they fight for speed for Nigeria for TV. The woman no feel raise my hand. No, no fear. No, my dear, she wanna relax. Man go see for my house. That's how I go put her. And I go they see us. That's why I just put her. Like this, I just see. Yeah. No, they're not the owe anybody. Yeah. But I said the woman no fit do. You don't go fit raise my hand. You don't fit touch me. Now let go. If you want naked, make it naked. For that one. Cloth that will have other clothes. Nah, me off here. Yeah, nah, me off here. One off here.
Oh meme. Ya pe beg una de sin ato. They know the sin ya beg. Oh meme. Ina when the euro to the mega la webo. Now all these mumu people almost wanna roll ya money la dia. Oh meme, wa ni ma de okay. Oh do awene ni ye do la webo. Me musicians don't enter abroad again. No more Europe tour. This Europe tour where they console now to make us happy. And we boni majena me make ejo. Apart for a club e boni majo. If you do we muje do de. Wa wo ge no. Wa jiku. Ami wa riku. Wa fi. To fa wa ware social media. Wa ware ani vie do wa. E ma ga wo she. Those all of them are the same. Okpaya ya hen. Ari me na magi no mawo we. Amagi ne ma. No tell like social media no do dolu je do yi. Ada do wo pa ma ya ri. Ke no wa ke no zua. A wo pa ma ya ri. We will continue the struggle. We will continue to fight. A day will come, they will recognize us, say, in my social media. Ni only tuje domu, ni muje doria. Imagine again, no real arrest. On our week binario way, on my way, a DJ, on my week binario way, you do. Carry fat, go on that person ass for Italy. On Mozo, a market. Got doctor you the back bell almost it got doctor way bell he collect better blow bano the video me aro bano if on ya go work nothing 1 month you me for ya we live video ya defon e fon me di yobo ona mi ya la dia ke no jina e ke ni na. Because when our Guana is under the police custody, you know they ask now. Go and check. When I first watch this video first.
Because I see they call my daddy, but not that one I'm in my area.
Te wa gbe wa.
So I did go to know.
Te wa gbe wa.
Not waste my time. You know the time where I take the come out, and you know the time where I take the come. Not be say I come out for here finish. You go around come here and say, hey, that round no, you who told it. I beg you, say I not spend 2 minutes. Nah, don't they? 5 minutes or another 5 minutes. Give me 10 minutes. You are in there now.
You never see anything. You see the way they take fly come up for ground, eh? I don't know say this guy they fly like that. See the way they take fly. Oh but DJ wake my brother. Wow, wake ask the people. Una solid. Ask the oh yeah. Ask the people. Ask the people. Wake
video for year
you to say no say this kind thing will happen if you not even come do this kind thing.
I want do content.
You want do content? Oh yeah, you go see content. What are they watch? Content. The content to be you very. Why if you do ya content? A musician do ya content. Who are bell?
Now content. Maybe if you can't come now. Now you say. Bros agree to. Now he said make I come. He said if I come I don't spend 2 minutes, I spend 10 minutes. And before I come up for house, I call her.
Mona share the video and do people wagae.
He was the baby. Oh shit.
If to say expect say go collect if you not come for us.
My content I can't do not be fight.
If you not come for us.
Now my content will they do.
You will see content you go tire you. Wow, Onisan. This guy
come down for up. 1 minute you don't reach here na here I dey. I hate person where they make mouth. You say make I come and not spend 2 minutes, I will come. I don't say I will come, I will rush come out. Make I spend 10 minutes. This is 7 minutes.
Wawa wash you. What are they see? A DJ, they're not fair for us. They're not fair, they retaliate. What are they wash? What are they wash? They're not fair, they retaliate. Wawa wash.
This one is 7 minutes. We are going.
Don't worry.
And later update today live video now. Saga don't start. Later update today.
Becky.
Today live video. Saga don't start.
Becky, Saga ye wa go ye Saga. Saga don't start. Ube ogoga gbeluwa. Ogoga gbeluwa. So wa go ye Saga. Una dey happy say una dey demarket una state. See what you are saying. My people, I'll play the video continue. I want to just highlight it there. He say latest update they like. That's the mumu update. You know what? Ovi kokobiri. Only know what zua. Oh wait here. Oh no more Europe tour. Wait here. Latest update they like. Saga day everywhere. Saga gag bijuwa. Saga gag beliruwa. Uwe saga wa uwa asungu. Enika what? Oga no wa we. Il y a do yawe saga. Wagberu wagbijuwa. No viagbeluwa. Wari egbuwa. Atiri egbuwa. Wa mwe wala de egbuwa wari ya. Wari egbuwa. Me de take what am yen yari egbinya. Wa egbe. Latest of the wari egbe we. We egbe do. Mwe vie tun la dia no agbelian le social media no wa agbe o. We be not our latest of the day they do saga. You are happy that you are demarketing your state. Wamami state of Wagwaka. Wamami state of Nigeria. Wamami Edo Enikawe Dora no wa. Nero no yunwivo. Nero no line. Una way they spoil Benin name. They spoil Benin name for social media. Ogon Ragbeluwa. Hey! You get platform. When I wash. When I listen. Listen.
This one is 7 minutes. We are going. And later update today live video now. Saga don't start. Later update today. Today live video. Saga don't start your house. And no get today. Everywhere not today. DJ go. You are wasting my time. You wait. I'm not time. They use you.
Wow. A police station. We in a bega. A akobeghian. A police station we in a bega we a lady or song be Verona. A lady or for you go dey prison. And again we not carry us arrest. Nah. You go dey say cooler. You dey cooler. You go dey say a pakobe or gauge takwa motavela or play music in here do agogo. Today everywhere go sweet. But see your shame and disgrace. Good women will receive you now. You know, especially you receive this beating. Been a boa. Lare, been a boa. What ye? Ese no zua, be se talk show. Been a boa wo we. Been a boa wa. Been a boa wa son. No we over era na ti omozuo. Been a bewa. Then you tired you can je. Latest update. Been a boa wa. Uwa sungu. Useless set of people. When get disgrace now. What do see me? What do see me? What wash? What give no sunu die?
I'm wasting my time. Saga dead ground. Just get your time. Get your time. I'll be more leaving for tomorrow. Do you go answer me? No, sir, I call you before I come up for us. If you say more leave for tomorrow, yeah, I first go out now. Tomorrow I come. Not be say I can't come up finish. You can't come here. You say I said don't run. Or go kill your children.
Wow. What are they wash? What are they see what you have put to her? You know, especially to go beat her here like this.
I call your husband, I call DJ Goat. I tell her, say, they come here. He knows, say, they come here. He know, I call her for phone. He not talk, but I tell her, say, I dey come that place where your wife see me run. I did there. She not go come. Now, there, he say, make I not spend 2 minutes, so, man, not come out. Man, I spend 10 minutes, my people, now don't they can't follow me. See, now what I do, this all this kind of brabbing, I don't like her. Sir, I don't complete 10 minutes. Remember, 1 minute, I complete 10 minutes. Although I still put extra minutes. He has not far from here. He has not far from here. If you come down for step, now you no go lose 1 minute, you don't reach here. Where they allow me to waste my time for here.
When I dey wash with apple, it remains small. Wahage. When I dey wash, our sister dey flap for hair. Ask the people who will say.
This is 10 minutes.
Correct. When I dey wash,
I'm still watching.
our sister flap for hair.
This is 10 minutes.
Hey, sister, don't swallow well.
This is 10 minutes. Okay, I'll still put extra minutes on top. You know, if you keep me for here, eh? See your ass here. If you come down, not worry. If I want to come out now, I will show you their ass. You know, this 1 minute, you don't reach their ass. See,
when I dey wash,
extra minutes. Maybe they call you, they delay. Maybe go slow.
You no expect.
Now still wait. And I swear, for what you do so, did the goat say I come here, you no come? I swear you have to see your wife, I will beat her. Anywhere I go pursue, anywhere you hate her, if you say I go beat her. No, I won't wait 10 minutes don't pass. I won't wait extra 5 minutes again. And not because I come out here, they will come here and say I run. Now wait till they go talk. Because if I come here, I might not spend 2 minutes, so may I spend 10 minutes. I don't pass the 10 minutes. The 10 minutes don't pass, but I want to put my own extra journal. And what you do me today, so
Niketa! Video me yaro, okon bijua. You wear the naked? Yeah, Banewa.
You waste my time.
Abanewa. Where? Okon agbijue. Yeah, Banewa. No zuona. The video where egbe awo where awa bijue.
The extra hours one put now 5 minutes. I don't get 1 minute, it made that 4 minutes.
When you are Banoa, then Niketa.
See, that's not far from here. If you come down for step now, 1 minute, you don't reach 1 minute, you don't reach where I did. Where should they make one yesterday?
When are they wash you? You don't expect. Hey, made they around, you don't expect. The woman there, where wash? Wa bijoué. Why uje doria? Why go free? Why go free? You go one by one, no?
And not be say you come. If I get my man come here, if I come here, I might not spend 2 minutes, so now I spend 10 minutes. I don't pass 10 minutes now. My own hours, my minutes one I put now. Now they use so. So be fast about it. I just put extra time. Because I said make a drive around. You go feel say you come here not see. The teacher I be like how they make man for social media. They craze. You the work. This one I not be me is my mouth talking. Now you use your mouth talking. Now I don't dey here. Now where you? DJ go to where you now? Now man bet me. He go come here later come video here say he not see me again. And I dey here say so. He not come see her see her.
Mola dey wash.
Come down now. 1 minute to reach here. He not come. And I call her for house. I call DJ Goat for house. Say I dey come or no we meet for here. I call the boy. He not talk. I end my call. Now I don't dey here. Now the guy never dey here. And I give her information.
bijua. Una no washa, ya ma kwe bege do sunu. Wa kwe bege no sunu wa. Una no see what happen. Now there all this picture for fall out. After this video, and they block come for ground. Now they fair blow the whole video come over game video not day. Now they give her their own personal video. Ogon bijou. Ah, you see the way they blow. My picture now the way they blow, not see where. As they block come for ground instantly. All the live video, they block everywhere. As they block the live video, the next thing, and they treat the fuck up and over the police. Video day, where they Ogon bijou. More Don Prince. The big video where they take hold the body like this, where they take whole body like this, not be how they play give una soul. And maybe Don Prince. Ogon bijou. Video where they take where in they do so different for the one where they take hold on when me be picture where it become a soul. Almost what? Now maybe Don Prince. Oh, I'm a serious do I go the disgrace all of una. Oh, I'm a serious do I be una go collect. Any cow here go me hokuna. Any cow ade be ma hokuo. Una we say na no only Benin people for waste. We be say na don't Benin people. Na be na problem for social media. Oh, go gagbeluwa. Oviaga gbeluwa waniri muje doria neve webu oviaga gbeluwa nero nori unwe iwe gegiem eni me bogbu wana ahase ya me bogbu wa hase nero nori unwe I because he could not go to collect my plan my show na where now see this part so see I wanna watch this part where this part so where they take clear rack more for hair. They see the whole live video. I'm gonna look this part way.
Now where you? DJ go where you now? Now, man, bet me. He go come here later, come video here say not see me again. And I did here say so. He not come see house here. If he come down now, 1 minute to reach here, he not come. And I call her for house. I call DJ Goat for house. I they come or no we meet for here. I call the boy. He not talk. I had my call. Now I don't dey here. Now the guy never dey here. And I give her information. What?
Our bijou wa. E ke rivière doje we that's wa. No be Europe we cover una. Benin people. Benin no dey lose guard. You dey tell Benin man say me come wait for you and the family. Me come wait for where? No be abroad we dey cover una. Some of them don't collect for Nigeria. Why go everything travel do? And no sense no una no say no fit try for Benin. Benin man, you dey threaten Benin man say may come meet you. You see I say you don't collect man. You don't collect. You see I say you don't collect now. Better collection. You don't see am. May I call DJ whether he would like to talk. Why again? Now maybe Don Prince. May I call DJ if he would like to talk because now the matter is on police station now. Because the way they do it, they hand over the police. Ogon bijouya. When almost all the ba where? And no live video. Gunshot at the air. See, and almost one live video. No, me back ticket go ask now. Almost wo. Imo na bege we uyere live video na gona. O makpa yo buje kevire go to ask. No give where you are. No give the priest is fatty. No give ko. Iya we ya kwenu we show ke the priest is je. Igbe wala yegbe I'm a spiritual person. The priest no, they never know be the priest. No give awu we show na. Iya we wala yegbe. All of them will get problem. Your show will be one of the best show for Jenny. That may be Don Prince. You got support on money. On money. Even angels or heaven. Angels or heaven, they go they surrender. That may be Don Prince. Pray me I like you. If I like you. Pray me I like you.
3 9 3 2 9 9 8.
Hello, Don Prince.
What?
Again, Nana Giliari has arrest. Ona Giliari has arrest. Even Nana Sumu police scenario. Straight to Egan Wano.
When almost what here for Rejo won't be there.
Tini
Me ati DJ fún a DJ ajo. But we must watch again them fún rejo. Me ati DJ ban. We abere ban DJ me show. Me ati DJ fún rejo. But me ati again if no dey go again. It dey crazy.
On Monday ne got here raw. Ni una here swear.
You mean
Saturday here una Monday. Straight.
They say they no go do show. Frank almost Sayonara. If you dey live video today, they fight Aproko, they fight lady or song. You no go fight for your goddaughter. If you no go fight for your daughter, now you pretend say you no see her. I dey show her to you, now make you see her say, your goddaughter. Imagine the video because security reasons. I want my DJ for tell me say, Don Prince guy carry on. Ni go here kwa. Ogwa gbazia. The DJ want to my bed. Don Prince idiot team we. Ni gbele ya kwa. I'll scatter everywhere. Wage ni awe gena yi. Nu wage na we. Ogwa gbizia. Ogwa gbizia. Omozuo, if I say you do video today, the saga Enogi, the saga Aproko, the saga lady or song, you no go talk as you want to help your daughter. A daughter no deal with no rewebu. A daughter no hoa. Umana ya help a daughter with am still. Say you buy ticket, go and still. When I go on a lawyer, one lawyer igbamudia as a godfather. Imana miwe, uyero kevi. Wako we Kevin where awanyo ogun ogbe e support we ovia agbeli yaya. Mota, the master me you ta. If you dey live video today, say me they follow you go YouTube, YouTube no ogbu kaka. Because if na rinya huigo, if na ri do huigo, ije gospel wa no salua. Oni wa lele we ozuwa we ya. Ye gospel wa ko emu we lawa. Ye gospel wa we make na ria ye do wa. We are supported. God's power, Ogonga bijoué. God's power, que nous réagissons, Ogonga bijoué. Il joué. Ne filo no wa. No we filo via diege. Obere que na dia ni vie do wa. You are first person on la wa. Ogonga bijoué God's power. God's power, Ogonga bijoué. Ovia ga bijoué. Il joué. Oh me webo. E UK no je. Oh e me aya on. Veni tell you. Yes. E me aya joué God's power. A God's power, a God of social media president who are doom. Wave the other woman who are married to an area or what? Gizue, okay, platform in a Naria Nivia Dowa, Isue Shag Yak Bewa, and the Viedo Isue, Dejuaka. God's power, Isue, Oka, your mama must confess. Isue, oh, Srikun, Isua, the Webo, Nimwenivia Doria, the Webo, Isue, God's power. On a winning. Ari boy ave do ona mwebo gbe ivieya ona de ni mene Don Prince ijwe na amoni meri oge na ijwe mado tami de do we very grand no ya muladian we onye di very grand the video we ya we bury we God's power the video is with me make be if sample kweka e kena bury rai is different from the very grand ijwe na ya so. E cannot bury away. It's different for the bury ground. Ni jona ya so mwe ya TV ni adoge we. Ya do gwi my why. Am is on that person bury ground. You want fake say na hina. Evidence is ready with me. Abi oni be so wana ni ma bege ni pe ma ya. If you do, I play Mama God's power. Matter riba because they join people where they spoil, where they sponsor people, where they spoil Benin people. This woman where they call Mama God's power where they UK. If they sponsor this yeah presenters where they demarket our Benins, that woman is an evil woman. Is an evil woman. All of another woman. Umutano. Mama God's power no Zua. Very useless woman. Imagine Omozuo. You demarket Edo State. They demarket musicians. All in the name of your personal reason. Say you the verse or Enogi. Enogi, you say problem where? Enogi, you say the man abio me webo. Enogi, you when you am your wa. Enogi, you when you make the live video. Enogi, you when you Zua the that one where? All in the name of Uguatalo. You just want to come out I've been insulting the guy because what or do well more than you. See your goddaughter now. See the kind of beat where they beat her. Now the video, let me call DJ. It's a DJ. The DJ, no go on. Let me call DJ. Okay. Bro, still no one, man. When I release it. A boy, they go back there. He release it. Ogbeo. No muje doria. When you don't know all the DJ Bina. Wabijewa. Now people, when I look the way that they attack and gay, because now he carry fat go meet all those people for us.
It's flat time.
So
Because I said make a drill around. He go feel say come here not see.
this is the last video he did. Now this one be the last video where he do.
The grace, you the work. This one I not be me is like my talk. Now you use your mouth talk. Now I don't dey here. Now where you? DJ go where you now? Now man bet me. He go come here later. Come video here say he not see me again. And I dey here say so. He not come see house here. If he come down now, 1 minute to reach here, he not come. And I call her for house. I call DJ Goat for house. Say I dey come or no we meet for here. I call the boy. He not talk. I end my call. Now I don't dey here. Now the guy never dey here. And I give her information. What?
That's the last video after we are get it down. I pin it down. So that's the last video. So again the picture ni memula dana iladia. It's on that video. Again in the scene yasunu. So for security reasons, I will expose because of Ogbaligbene. So you only get your not updating Nidian or Mozuo. No, this is the situation right now. Case a matter no gena ya azuo no make na say calculate way a daughter na no one is those about space where is in custody right now. So people another update go come out. If the people who carry fat go meet, yeah, when I release the video, I release it. So for now, when they get the update in Huawei, as I'm telling you people now, Orobo Balegbe Seto show, Idiot Balegbe ad now. Wa bege no donu lele ya. So as I'm telling you people, Orobo Balegbe Italy, Balegbe Mukba, and I can amuri. Ya jale Mukba. Izazaga alayagbe. Wani we wagi ya do ewe. Izazaga alawagbe.
9, 8, 1, 1, 1, 7, 8.
Hello. Yeah. I did live video.
I want ask this woman so where you dey show. Who she be? That one on him.
Oh, this one they call a Seto show.
Say that one that one they call
Asarest, yes, Asarest.
Now she be that.
Now she be this.
I never. You know, say every time she they always they sit down. I don't know her for free. Arrest there.
Oya lele a family so gbina yana wa gbe kore. And I'm under police.
Yes. Oh man, when you have your bonnet, because you have a Franco, Franco go father again.
Yes.
Abi?
The Franco go father again.
When you see you know you arrest. Oh man, what see bonnet that dog? Area no area ya mie. Area ya munia. The Frank no ro.
Oni ladian awa gwalo ni hia, wa gwalo wa eladian le hia the Italy.
Oh, my we a mule, party mo fi we video ga wo ta na well yen mi o sit pa be guiding yen wo kan
Okay, that means a city near over Haji. When to mo a city of hand less is there.
Yeah, well, we are petrol station city. The guy we me have say be guiding yen be to pay na ko we na be.
Time we have here because wa bege ne ofra ko moswo. Ekene ije keviji omuele city ni o man my city ni ato ama we ta on wa no je wo we marriage o ma invite anybody Italy oje no say ekene Roma ate ekene oje Roma mujanero ate una get Roma ona legele vaniri now ekene ya le odo wa ni je Kevin village okpa yege wani also na DJ Kevin so that aku ekian also get ade ekene ye Kevin also na mi gba mi ye Kevin with anybody so a village na mi ani a village ni eyanji and I detect ogun amia why worry e make yan leri because yan le here udan yan ya si eboluwa wa no metin azehin ya ta mi e believe iti imamu ya e mo ta social media na wa ya ni gbekedo wa ya ni video te mu musician ave artist mark ni rewe bo ke ni re Nigeria no gi fi pe giyan wa ya devawe every na say una go get problem spiritually what mean anything Bros Prince eni meta we in ye go eni meta we veni e na imagine omo ne no be mase when we omo no ladiana we omo no do guana omo no wasike no waropo wiye kevi odo guana wa ile yi ama iye kevi we ni mo wera ladian o wera mo ladian imo wera ladian me say 1 month ni am wera ladian na owu ahiamu ladian na where you dey stay where you dey ahiamu ladian na ogun gbiju a je kevi wa biju e yin ekisli visual no dio wo pe a ekisli ezaza ga alawe gbekeruri aje ekisli wa ga ne biegbe wa ga ne hu biegbe kisli ekenuri aje enwe won hin afewe ekisli ekisli uga wan me ohie miame yu egbe uga re no figmoje ohie miame yu egbe ekisli eni ka wa no we vota when wa ya muje dori ave social media eni ka wa no wa no gi doluje doyi eni ka ari o egu wa o pe ano wo gi doluje doyi le social media eni ka wa ari o egu e ti Jesu no mi wa fa when give you doing practice we are doing hiru imagine omo oti e boni po oti e boni gba e adulterous wunya ye kulu wo no ya wo no wodo wo la je wa adulterous must stop when ya wo no wodo ave presenter uri ave la ligne sagiefo uri ave la presenter ya sagiefo no mami sa gen lalo ulali sango lale ya eso we eyan mi oni umisa woni sesu uwu bi oni umisa woni sesu una be duru nu we tala dan we eso gwapo ni san wo igwa lo ke wo ni san oni san ze kiaya wa igwa lo ke wo ni san oni ba mi wo ni san isan mi wo ni san isan ami wo ni san Edeni me Frankie now la duwe onke go adwe mi no una to pa yin ye da sun be ge ni e wa ata we wa onu ko ware wa yin e ono wa gie be no wa ya like pe ni no we ta be bo na gu we gba be video na ha wa wo ko be ni na una wa la lo no wa kan wa reze apiko e video ni me wa we go go ye na we be bo na gu ta be na ni ye be la luwe ame me wo no ni wa dokia o ma understand me o ye wa mu we no la lo abi omo ya o me fe so nu o me fe so o me miame o la lu wa he o me miame nu wa ma e na ala lo kan re na o ni ke bo iye ke bi e wa mu o wa gada monopause wa gada wa mu ko yo nu emebe wa o wa sie ya won o sie ya won iye ke bi e wa gada monopause gada o iye ke bi fresh iye ki fresh gberagbe e dede dan. If you look at my Kevin now, oh yeah, now for 42 years. A woman 59 years. Oh, you want gather monopoly, gather. Oh, mukoye, almost one way ya, almost looking at Dioma. Oh, your mayor. You can't be what on young. You get a tower, I will be a car. You better can't have one young. The man what not be a Kevin 9. It be a Kevin 9. See, the market become fresh. Where you are Latin, I go fresh. I'm not going money. I go fresh. All the monopoles where that woman get for life, you go gather all of them. You go pour from Muslim mouth. Muslim will lick all of them every day. Our Muslim not go old. See the way me fresh now. Me now see the way me fresh. With 5 children, I see fresh like this with 5 children. Now one last so, I be like who never born one. People still look me say I'm young. My 5th child I want born, so I see fresh. See your monster with only one picking way, whether I get out or not being get out within Nigeria. We never see no. See the way old. He ain't going to be missing. Almost we could be missing. Before almost will come born 5 children. I want be. What I do? One of the thought truth. I almost will go beef before you come born 5 children. You might be a biokpa now. With 2025 or maybe biokpa. So maybe for 2027 he could ask me. Oh, it is 40, 250 or market dioma. Wani lele, wani tema wata. Una we no dey tell her truth. Any kawa no wata.
If you do, emi no say ni ana we ni ya. Wa mi be wo we na, una gunya gwani ya. Ida nya su wo, nya kokokwu e.
Bro, I don't fit play the video. The people who get the matter never tell me I play the video. I don't fit plan. So we not the rush. We not the rush. You see, they just want giving us small updates about what they play now. Say as at now, they custody. They will police. They investigate them. That's my copy. So the people who get the matter with, they tell me say Don Prince. I don't know bele yaladian. We dey here. I'm a kid at Tuleria. When a Muslim don't defend them, a Muslim. If a Muslim want defend them, a Muslim bring any video or anything about all those people. We not get time. Now me go fit the deliverer. Almost because he now not get phone to record. The 2 phone wey bring come out, they scatter all of them. He not get anything to record, so he not get anything. So now if almost not say if they read, they do social media, make it bring this fact, make bring anything come out. Emire ladian, Ozua, Emire ladian. It is so. He no see bring come out, but you go call social media they zuo. Nothing, no level for them. Go see Smarto Baze. He try me the misbehave. Go write RIP for my picture. I tell her, say, under 72 hours, I go bring your white picture, come and bring the actions. I deliver her. Now maybe Don Prince. You hear me so? I deliver her. I tell her, say, smart up, say, you don't hide this your wife since people don't know your wife. You don't hide down. Even when you born, I let your picking show. But as he try me, under 72 hours, now I take bring a picture of your wife. Go see all the thing where you talk about me. Don't go delete all of them. Oh, go bazia. Bazia. All the thing, all the RIP way right on my picture. Go check the platform. Yeah, delete it, yeah. Because only my Don Prince. It time my way. If I hear pay me again, wait till you tell her say if I hear pay, I go carry a bat. The other husband, mama, bat come out. And maybe Don Prince.
Shameless people.
I say if I hear pay, the husband way papa, the husband way a bat mama born for before he come marry mama a bat. I go knock the man picture come out. And maybe Don Prince. Enogi, if Enogi never forget, when Enogi and his sister matter happen for social media, when Enogi and his sister, every day they talk, Enogi, if you still believe, now me make sure say Enogi know one of his brother, whether they call Saze, or Saze something, or Saze, na me voulons come and say Enogi, bakoto, he may talk when I na, enak buweri yeke. As I bring that boy come out, now Enogi Saze something. I believe say Enogi know the person where they talk. Like family, Enogi family. But when they drag Enogi, that night as I wallow that guy come out, all of the royal test ass. Enogi know why they talk so now. Enogi know that time when they fight time, but when his sister go before they come arrest Enogi mother that time. I wallow that guy come out. Say these people Enogi run for these people. Forget say they be your blood. And I way and I go cannot boy. They jealous of you. They want to off your light. There are some family that will see you because your light shine in one way or the other. They'll start to jealous you. These are people for you. I also have social media now. I beg a social media presenter. I only downgrade the rest social media presenter so that he is the biggest one. They'll try to carry themselves to be big presenter so that they downgrade the rest presenters. Every day, this is what they are doing. I don't watch them. I don't watch their video. Then they watch our video. Ubege no get comment now because of watch. Okay, one you can know. We watch.
4, 9, 1.
Here we are watch. Oh, okay, no. They no get away, yes. They no get away, you told it.
5, 9.
Osaze momo, abi osaze sontiga no ereni. I don't forget.
Incoming call. Incoming call.
Hello, Bros. Don Prince.
Agree to what?
Domo. Good afternoon.
We'll have to wait for the call.
Now from Germany, you go see the number.
Okay.
Now from Germany.
Okay.
I don't get too much time to talk. You make any ayata buabugbe. Well, hello.
I dey hear you. My...
When you don't log the essay, no we are essay, no wakeke omozo. Ote bonorote do ancestors so give me pushing ana.
Kakabo.
Because since then they talk say no give me because me I don't know where I no get for wrong there. A no get no go do show. A no get no go fit do show. Whether they want fly.
I said this no get show will be one of the best show for Germany. Oh boy na. Now me they talk. Oh no be play. This is no get show. See, again people, Germany, all the lovers of Enogi, all of that come out massively. Mona come out for Jenny. Mona come support Aproko. Aproko, the first show where Enogi want to do for Jenny. Oh, Enogi lovers. I don't say 8 hours still day, but Mona let the love pass the 8. Mona show and love. Again, if you don't say you there again, Mona share this video, go again. Again. Share this video to Again City.
Why you not know that say now? If like Jamie, I don't know about Italy, you dare as arrest, you come out for your house, you enter bus, you go to fight person for your house. You not say a big offense now you commit.
You don't know.
When you as arrest, who you are admin, as I don't understand, or you even the way you twin motor, even on a dumb motor. Omela no more, or as arrest, who you are admin boy.
You may mean anything. We are stop paper, Akobe. Yeah, stop pay your son.
Becky, my brother has today and I, you're the take your God because we were taking web or where it was in a gaton or noya kuba. You also all that's why I say now this is the beginning. Make this one, may all of the user tell learn.
Very well.
May the user tell learn because I only are sick or only yagbe. And me, I know that sound though. I know one man, when you want more, I never said to me when you move in Nigeria. When I move forward, my man need the bomb video. I want to boss that ticket or most when they want when I
you know the justice. I want me most of go and see. May take lawyer. May take lawyer go and see. And not do as well live video. For me when no show, why just show Akobe. No good bay, Mariana. So what everyone no giji what ye the city where no day today a Aproko be the conda city today. Since yesterday I don't see the fly up everything. My show now some of the fly up. Now they hear me so my show some of the fly up of a Aproko be for they life again city again city for Jenny. I want make that show today be talk of the town. Any cow baba, any cow do the thing akobeghian we sing gato. O barima o mweginira. Ana mweginira na we na muniri egbon averio alirune awalirune. Awaledo walirune. Yen geve gba no mafo but at least awalirune ma video. So iyedo no gi togi manoma wa egure Jenny na Again City. We make sure we show you love. No matter show what you no gi, wa send you go gie. No matter show what you no gi, wa send you go gie. Why more I don't please ota. You go no really send you gie. Oh here blessing wa. Man no fear. Why nitana? Oh here blessing wa. So ni mo la dia. This is the show. The part 2 ne. Oui. Avec power arrive là. Pas bien là. But my progress, pardon, I don't already did this yesterday. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. So, my show now we take on down. Imagine now we the police muya oge no way they will try to demarket these people. Why is the miniata police mamuya rockba? They are doing well. Wageru ne pa ko benan wani do. Wageru ne pa nan wani do. While listening.
Don't you watch the video when you where this birthday from Nigeria? Yes, this original day. The parent. The papa was 1 minute, sir. You don't die. We might be going to make it. Yes. More than 40 countries. More than 40 countries in Nigeria. Yes. America, Canada, Europe, more than 30 countries. They look who are about. Who see one or buy better where we get. Where you turn your bag here? Yes, who see one women they were married. Please, man, people in the show. Again City, as you can see, the other coins in town. Please, Malabo, come out tomorrow. Then I back at you. Malao, the trust to Washa, Munamune, Rupani Mame, Jando there, I may go the Niji Elemeti. So please, people should come out for me tomorrow. Massively. 9 o'clock a party when flag one now. Okay, I have to guess it. Okay, the dead no. I have to guess it.
This is a Aproko for life. A Aproko for life. And are you just titi? And are you just titi? Obey the copy not another bet now. Sir, you do. What better bet not dying? Idiani yesigi, unwe or betting. Unwidiani yesigi. That's to recognize a daughter. Ebo abege, ebo so my at you. Unwidiani yesigi. So the bet not dying. Only unwidiani yesigere betting is what? But I wash and wear.
So please, my people, come and show us love. I would like buy one burger,
Imaginez ces pancakes sans sirop d'érable. Pire, la réunion de 8h30 sans café. Heureusement, dans la vie, il y a des complots gagnants et inséparables, comme le prêt immobilier à l'impact.
Et on est tout j'aime domo. On a share this video. But see, on a share not buy ya bo with the dividend. My dividend here. My lovers, on a share the video. Ko we want me wa guy wa tons up. Il vient donner man. Wa show wa gele man. Why you got pretend wa lao? Anytime I see good videos. Na ya expose e ma dani ya do social media wa e ma dani uje doria wa arrive the video no go far so that if you do abeg good Nigerians will be seeing it. There are people that is spoiling Edo cyberspace, spoiling our reputation. The good people in Edo land ni muje do adewebo ni oni mweni area wa arrive ma begging away. This is what they are doing. Walao wa we see. My show now. When I watch the Akobe.
We tell you mafia Nigeriana. Okay, last one. The manager went there. Yes. The manager went there. Yes. The manager went no cabo tana. Cabo. You need flat no good man. You need one new way. Why not go and take that? I'm not a table near a seat of a hill. So, what I know, I hope you try not by now.
Yeah, okay, my good man, we and I do it now. I have to say, Jimmy, my brother, I know where I do have. So, they actually, I like that. So, my manager is coming some spring. Also, bless you. They know you go. Germany, yes,
August City, please, oh, come and show me love tomorrow. Balawo, please. Akobeghian is in town. I don't show me love. Balawo, in Macau, I might wait for to boy one time. We are not support for a marriage, but we promise you never wire away. So please, people should come and support me tomorrow. I love you all. If I'm where in Noya Binari, we did yesterday. Yeah, I don't know why I so one of the day. Oh, you have been in the Rosa. Can you read and give him a little bit? No time I will know you boy at the very now. We have been very much to me boy. Oh, my way, no, no, don't go on. We walk on the boy. Happiness is free. You see what when I'm equally. I make a mission up in Akimanako, Ugo Yari, I am very good. My sorry, I come in peace. As a man, Ugo Yari. That Aproko said here. When we are Aproko said here, can't Aproko said here. I feel no one of me now. I he mentioned by the word the other capital with him. He say, I saw you. I come in peace. So, I'm not the boy. I have said, let the most secret one. I have said, one will come here. I don't pay. Not do go. When I do the boom, I mean, never overdo. No, when you look what. Then when you get over the boom, it's so level, not 10 years of my new one. 15 years or so, 20 years of my new one. They are work out, year work out, a 10 no, or say no, or no, or 2 more. Are your back, or say, Unamu, now, Mufwa. Mufwa. I
Peace out. Thanks everybody. We are outside. So
guys, please people should turn up for my father Akobeghian. I love you all.
Now people, when I see her, it's confirmed. So today, now be the show. From 9 o'clock, the show will start. Peace and love. I know say it will be massive show today. So my sister Esther edokpayi lady of song is still get show for Verona. For those of the Verona City, I beg, wanna go show lady of song love for Verona City. Now they hear me so Verona City. If you know you are watching me now, please share this video to Verona. Say our sister, the Verona City, he get show today for Verona. So please, if you are in Verona, you are watching me now, please try and show lady of song love. Walao, of you want no matter anything. Walao, in my ear. Walao, anything wa ya boy. Walao, wa show you love. Wanna show them love. If you do, walao, wa ya wesi. So a video, already say, ya disgrace you might not disgrace when I release I release